Struggling with those lashes? You need the Slick Love Lash Kit. This lash kit includes everything you need for an easy at-home experience putting on lashes. It has lashes inside of a mirror case, magnetic eyeliner, and the tweezers you need to put on your lashes. You don't need to buy anything but the kit, plus it's affordable. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the eyeliner. You need about 2 coats, and then after you put those 2 coats, you need to let it dry. So now that that's done and my eyeliner is dry, I'm going to go ahead and apply these lashes that came in the lash kit with these tweezers. I am obsessed with how good these look, and not only that, they were really easy to put on. But Slick Love has so many different styles. So I got another style. These are the Whisper style. I'm going to go ahead and try them on. I love these so much too. They're so easy to use, to put on, and to wear every day.